Are you suffering from knee pain due to a recent injury? Or has your knee been bothering you for a while now? If you're looking for help, you're in the right place. I'm Dr. Marty Sanchez, a licensed physical therapist with 2 decades of experience. Here's an exercise that can help alleviate some of that knee pain and get you feeling more mobile again. Partial straight leg raise. This is a great exercise to start working the muscles on the front side of the hip. You're going to lift one leg up to about 45 degrees, keeping your knee straight. You don't need to hold it, but just come up comfortably and slow on the way down. We'll complete 10 repetitions. 7 more. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. This exercise is part of a larger 90-day knee program you can complete from the comfort of your home. No need to visit an office or clinic. We walk you through it step by step. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Desire Wellness's knee program. Not ready to dive in and commit just yet? Click here to try another exercise you'll find in the knee program.